Hello Bangalore, this is Suman from Dr. Avery River. You can see in front of me that today I have received the 2.1 small multimedia speakers, the Thonet and Vander make. So the issue with this is suddenly the system was dropped down like a customer from the customer side. So the speaker gone bad. So we have restored the speaker. So it's now completely working fine. Thank you everyone. If anyone requires service on any high-end brand, so do contact Dr. Avery. Thank you everyone.